our single drawer stainless steel cabinet. First off, we will walk dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 23 3/4 inches, a depth of 24.5 inches, and height with legs 39.5 inches tall. Without the legs, we have 33 3/4 inches. Coming to the top, there will be a lip that surrounds the left, back, and right edge. The measurements for the inside, we have 22 inches in length by 23.5 inches in depth. And the lip measures 2 inches in height. A set of keys will be provided. 2 keys for the top drawer and 2 keys for the bottom cabinet. The measurements for the inside drawer will be 20.5 inches in length by 14 3/4 inches in depth. Measurements for the bottom cabinet we have 23.5 inches in length by 22 inches in depth. And the height for the top and bottom row, we have 9 inches for the top, 11 inches for the bottom. And please note that the shelf can be adjusted. Whether the cabinet or the drawer is not in use, lock and store your keys. Coming to the back of the cabinet will be all solid stainless steel. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.